Hi friends, great morning and welcome to daily analysis. Friends, finally the level which we have been waiting since last couple of weeks, the gap which was created 6,210 level which got filled yesterday, right? And as mentioned in yesterday's video, I told that market maybe can take a small support somewhere near to the zone, and if it breaks, then suddenly the next important target is 6,210 level, right? This level which we marked, right? And you can clearly see that it was a very good trending day for us, a good selling opportunity we got it, right? And you see how powerful this level from the buying interest started. Since the gap is filled, again the buying interest started, but again when it went to our zone which I mentioned in my video, exactly you can see the selling pressure again started, right? So it was a retracement took a resistance at our zone, and from there the selling pressure came, right? Now friends, even after closing Indian market, there was a selling happened in NYMEX code. So you can see here clearly the selling continued after Indian market closed, right? There was huge selling, right? Now this red line we can remove. This is a gap which we mentioned, 75.72 level, and now it is not valid since it is filled, right? But now I hope you understood how powerful the gap. Okay, now we can remove that. And now let us do today's analysis. I think this line was at 6209. Okay, right. Now we will do today's analysis. Friends, before going in detail, I want to remind you all that today, 7:30 p.m., we have a masterclass called Price Action Secret. And tomorrow, 7:30 p.m., we have a masterclass called Superpower Trader. I want all you to register for both the masterclasses. And this time, both the masterclasses are free of cost. The link to register for the masterclass is there in the description. Click on the link and register for the masterclass right now itself. Friends, if you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want and how useful is this daily analysis to you. Friends, also make sure you share this video with your other trading friends. And I want to give you a disclaimer, the whatever view I am sharing, it's my personal studies and personal views. So I don't guarantee you any success or profit from these trades. Make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk reward ratio before taking any trades. Let us do today's analysis. First, we will do analysis with the daily candle. And it's very clear in MCX that again, yesterday it created a red candle. And I told that I was expecting the bearish trend only. And this is what exactly happened. And today also opened in a red candle, right? And we have important support zone starting from 6,063 to now 5,834 level, right? So friends, somewhere if this fall can take a support somewhere within this range, right? And also it can reverse back, or if it breaks, the bearish trend will continue, right? Now, NYMEX crude, see, it's clearly showing a big bearish candle, right? And so it's again indicating the trend remain negative, and we have immediate support which we marked previously 73.94, and the zone is here. This is a zone, right? So somewhere if the price comes somewhere near to this zone or inside the zone somewhere, it can take a support and reverse it back, or if it breaks, then it will create again, it will continue the bearish trend, right? So now we will do 30 minutes candle analysis of first NYMEX crude. So you can see a wide CPR in NYMEX code, right? It starts from 74.87 to 75.98, right? A wide CPR indicating a sideways day. And I am also expecting a sideways day because if you see last 2 days continuously, it was in a trending day, right? It was coming down. So today there can be a sideways day. So that's what even I am also expecting. So like now important levels, see, it's trying to take resistance at this pivot level, or it can go back and go to somewhere near to the CPR and take a resistance and come down, right? So first support will be near to the previous day's low, and second we have at $73.83, right? And upside, see, we have CPR range starting from $74.86 to $75.98, right? Closing all these levels, still there are resistance zones, right? So chances for sideways is more. And in case I'm expecting, in case if it recovering somewhere going and hitting CPR, there can be selling pressure, right? Now we will do MCX proper data analysis, day level analysis. Now, first we can see that CPR range start from 6,255 to 6,298 level, right? It's a wide CPR. And again, you can clearly see that this CPR is created below of previous day's CPR. So again, indicating a negative direction, right? Sideways direction. But since it's a wide CPR, I'm expecting a sideways day, right? So let us see what are the probabilities. Now, morning itself, you can see that it has created a very big bearish candle. So that means the selling pressure is still continuing. So the first support can be somewhere near to 6,072 level, right? 6,072, it can take a support. And if you're taking a support and reversing back, again, it can take a resistance at 6,147 or the intraday high of 6,175 level, right? Above that, 6,210, we have a resistance on, then the CPR range, right? And below 6,072 level, then we have 6,019 level, right? So below that, I'm not expecting it can go up to 5,910 level, because overall seeing even somewhere according to the CPR and other fundamental things, I'm seeing somewhere it can take a support and reverse it back, right? But it's a probability game. It's not a certainty game. So we should be ready for all the probabilities. And according to the proper pattern, we should do the trades, right? So that's all in this video, friends. So in important levels, once again, I'll tell you, CPR range 6,256 to 6,298 level, wide CPR. As of now, it's looking bearish, and nearby here, we are not able to see any support. So it may come down. In case if it's not taking any support at the first intraday candle. This I am going to explain you today's webinar. What is importance of this big candle, opening big candle, and if it's not taking any support here, and if it's breaking this, then immediately it can come to 6,072 and down 6,019 level, right? In the worst case, we can see 5,910 level. Okay, and upside, if it reversing back, first resistance we have at 6,147, then the high of this candle 6,175, then 6,209, then we have the CPR range, right? So these are the important levels for the day, friends. Thank you very much for watching. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.